guys, so today we're not with the children, obviously. I'm with my big sister. Impromptu meetup as always. Yeah, and I really don't want to go far, so I'm going to the Lekki Conservation Center. Hopefully it's what I expect to see. Okay, yeah, so definitely I want to take you guys along because this Lagos trip is getting lit. December is getting dirty and I'm taking you guys with me. Okay, so let's go. Tom Ford, camera is capturing you. You're on Tom Ford. You guys, do you like these fire glasses?
Been waking up feeling low. You're on my mind like all of the time, but you're so despicable. Been seeing what you've been sharing online, and I miss your good parts. Then remember that you were a thorn in my side. I know I'll be fine if you stay on your side of town. No, I don't wanna see you around.
Hey, camera is on you, madam. Really? Really? Shakara girl.
Shakara girl.
My Shakara big sister.
I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Bitch, don't bother me. You aren't worth the energy. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Like where I'm headed now.
Oh, that's a antelope.
Almost didn't recognize your face, and I knew the day would come. I see you out, but a girl can hope and pray that you'll just go away. If you stay on your side of town, no, I don't wanna see you around. Oh, why don't you stay on your side of town? We might be cool someday, but not right now. Oh, bitch, don't bother me. Done with your negativity. I may not know.
Welcome to Lekki Conservation Center. Lekki Conservation Center is a nature reserve. What we try to do here is conservation. We try as much as possible to keep the natural environment natural. And it's also home to the longest canopy walk in Africa, 2.5 meters above sea level. The beauty of the highest point is for you to get an aerial view of the whole reserve from the highest point. And it's a 78 hectare of land. The vegetation here is divided into two. We have the swamp and the grassland. We also have animals here. We have mammals and reptiles. We have the mona monkeys, we have birds. So any questions, please ask. We go in. Food, plastic bottles, your plastic bottles, drop them here. No food, no gum, anything that you eat, the monkeys here are interested.
Oh, hi monkey. So it's swampy completely.
Yeah, swampy.
Wow. Okay, so we just started our trip, and as the tour guide said, he said is 3 point how many meters? Kilometers? 3.2 kilometers. So this is some serious cardio, guys, and I'm getting scared because I've been warned about my gadget. If it drops, it drops, meaning no content. Okay, so let's just enjoy the walk. I know it's gonna get tedious and tough. Thank God I didn't come with my daughter. Thank God. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I'm already panting, and was anything I can film, just know that I was in a very tight situation that I need to save myself. The tour guide is laughing. Okay, so we move. Monkeys are jumping like they don't even care. Oh boy. Okay. Oh. My sister doesn't want to do exercise. This is intense. Did you see? Can you see the canopy? I'm already panting. You guys, this is some serious stuff. Like seriously, it is. Yeah. Let me keep my camera.
7.5 meters.
7.5 meters.
6 more sections.
6 more.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
Yeah, 90% will drag me come.
We are filming on a portrait mode. We got a good Samaritan to hold the camera. It's actually a tall guy here. He's been able to help me hold the phone because I cannot move around with that phone in my hand. I can't walk around with the phone. But this is really scary. Like, I'm so scared at the moment. I don't even want to look right or left. You guys, it's intense. Really intense.
I guess I'll never know.
My sister's scaring me at the moment. Oh boy. Wow. That's so scary. Who sent me? Impeccable, you mean? Impeccable.
Falling back?
Oh my goodness! Woo! I made it! Hello! Yay! Man! So, I made it alive. I've not ended yet. We need to go on this other walkway to finish our but the difficult part is done now. Now we can walk with our hands in the air. Oh my goodness, I was so scared up there, guys. Like, I was really scared. Don't lie about that. Really? We spent 1 hour on that thing.
No, we spent 30 minutes.
Almost 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40.
No, over 40 minutes actually.
Yeah, we spent on
over
there.
40 minutes. Can you imagine? And it felt like 20 minutes or 15. So we are free to move ourselves. If you like, you can jump here if you want.
Please don't jump.
Well, it was fun. Like, things like this actually make you, in a way, appreciate God. Because anything appreciates God and nature.
I wish you could capture like a crocodile in this
Oh
content.
no! Croc? I'm not ready to see any croc.
No, it will just be there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you just...
It's not going to be wild?
Nope.
What? But you don't feed them, they self food for themselves.
Yes, they don't have... There's no human... So they can't actually be interested in the human...
In attacking humans.
No, they'll just be there.
So, we are here left or right?
We're going this way first.
We are going this way. This way.
This way is to the grassland. That's where the family...
we still have something to do.
Yeah, we still...
Oh, I thought... Okay, so that was just the canopy walk.
Yes,
so what else are we supposed to do now?
So technically this is the other part of the forest.
The other part of the forest?
Yes, like I said before.
I feel like running on this way. Can I?
Yeah, you're free. No.
Okay.